Do you really know the mistake to avoid in trading? There are several mistakes that you should avoid when you're trading, and that is what we are going to learn in this video. Stick to the end so that you can get to know these mistakes. One is trading without a plan. In everything that you are going to do, you should always plan. Even if you're going to start a business, you should plan for your business. When you're going to have kids, you should plan for your kids. And then why can't you plan when you're going to trade? Yeah, you should be able to plan when you are going to trade to enable you capture a profit in that trade. Jumping in a trade without a clear entry, exit, and a strategy, this is equal to a loss. You should make sure that your strategy is good and you are consistent on that strategy, and it is a strategies that normally work for you. And also you should know how much money you are going to risk per trade, and where to enter and also when to exit your trade. Don't just jump like that in a trade. When you plan, it will keep away emotions out of your decisions. No matter how the market will be challenging, as in the price movement, your emotion will be still because you have planned for that trade. And then the second one is, do not risk too much on one trade. Risking 20 to 50% of your account is equivalent to blowing the account. Some traders risk all that percentage. If you risk like that, it means that you are so greedy and you are ready to blow away your account. Professional traders normally risk 1 to 2% of their account per trade. And then who are you to risk all the 20 to 50%? It makes no sense, right? So subscribe to the channel for more content. And I know you like the content, subscribe to it, and then you'll be able to get more of my educational content. And then the third one is revenge trading. This is very common with many traders. Trades are always revenged, which can also lead to the blowing of your account. After a loss, trying to win it back with a large position sizing, this is so dangerous. Please stop that. In case you have a loss, go do something else. Do not be on the chart again, because your emotions can kick in and then you can start entering trades which are not necessary. Number 4 is ignoring the stop loss. Trading without a stop loss is equal to gambling. You can find that only a single bad move in the price can wipe out your account, and I'm sure you not like it. A news can come and then the market goes against you. You lose all your account. Even if you have $1 million account, it can even go in that particular one trade. Normally put a stop loss and a take profit. Do not ignore them. Number 5, we have over trading, and this is also very common with many traders, especially the scalpers. Even if you are scalping, you should always have self-discipline and a rule. Maybe you can only scalp one trade a day. That is enough. Do not scalp several times. I know in scalping the price moves so fast, but you can have your principles to just scalp one trade a day. No matter how it moves fast, that is it for today. You wait for tomorrow. Overtrading, this can lead to taking too many trades in a day or in a week without high profitability setup, which is so useless and not important. Make sure that trades that you are taking, they should have high profitability setup. Don't just trade and trade and trade and trade because it feels fun or because you are bored. No, that is not advisable in forex trading. You'll blow your account. Number 6, trading without patience. If you have no patience in the market, this is also dangerous and not good for you, my fellow traders. Closing the trade too early or jumping in a trade without a confirmation. This is done because you don't have any patience. You should wait for your confirmation. You should not jump in the trade too early. When the trade hits a certain area whereby you think that it is now proper for you, you just jump in. No, wait for the confirmation. Even if the trade is in your area of interest, wait for the confirmation and then you jump in the trade. The professional traders, they wait for the right setup and the right confirmation, and then they execute their trade. And then why can't you wait if the professionals are also doing so? What's wrong with you? Number 7 is trading with emotions in the market. In the market, there are two things that control most beginners: fear and greed. These are things that most beginner traders struggle with. You should be able to stick to your system, not feelings. When you stick to your system, discipline and plan, and then you'll be able to see the profitability in your account. Chasing signals and holy grails system is also one of the mistake that traders make, and this is number 7. So most people out there, they don't know how to trade on their own or by themselves. They rely on other mentors or traders just blindly, which is dangerous for you. They always buy courses, signals or indicators that promises 100% win rate. In the market, there's nothing like 100% win rate. Market is unpredictable, so you should rely on yourself. No system wins all the time in Forex market. Discipline in the market is always greater than the tools. It is greater than the indicator, greater than the signals, greater than most things in the market. Number 9, ignoring risk to reward ratios. Risk to reward ratios are looked at by most traders, but these are also very important. If you have poor risk to reward ratio, you can be winning several times in small trades, but then in one big trade you lose big, which is also useless. This one big trade can wipe all the small wins in many trades that you have been winning. Okay, only one big loss can wipe all the other profits in many small trades that you have been making, and this can only happen if you have poor risk to reward ratios. Number 10 is not being able to review your trades. As a trader, it is important to review your trades to know how you have performed in a particular trade or in a particular week or in a particular month. And this can be done by keeping journals. If you don't keep journals, you will repeat the same mistakes. Professionals always analyze what worked out and what failed. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content. And that is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.